Good evening, Ma'am MJ. Sorry po, ingani akong pag-record kay napay issue ang akong headset siguro if di ko magamit og headset kay di po malunggan ang akong tingog if mag-record ko. So, for the meantime lang daw siya, ma'am. So, let's go here. So, first is creating a multidimensional associative array. So this is my array kani sila. So this array contains another array. So kaning array kana siya 5 pod ka r sa sulod, which is name na property sa og 5 ka buok. So this is the name naka lowercase and position, days work and daily rate and deduction. So same na sila but in a different array. So ang name, so naka lowercase and ang position is job title, then days work, how many days they work, daily rate, how much they earn per day. So deduction is a salary deduction, same for absences, nga na siya ang absences sa deduction. So next is the function format name. So return UC words straight to lower that name. So this UC word is yang sample ang name diri is naka lowercase. So if mag-declare ta og mag-return ta og UC words, ang first letter sa akong name is mo big letter siya, mo capitalize, and the first also sa akong apelyido is mo capitalize straight to lower straight to lower case name. And function calculate gross pay. So it will muna siya ang mo multiplies sa atong days times rate. So sample, ang atong days is 20 days and ang atong rating is 500. So multiply to 10,000 na siya ang resultado. And sa calculate gross pay, this will be the subtraction from gross pay. Calculate net pay. So this is the deduction. Gross pay deduct minus to deduction. So next is function display payroll. So ano siya ang display, same ni sa babaw. Straight pad is used for spacing para ma-align ni siya ang column sa baba, kanina sa babaw align. And sa straight repeat is mo na siya draw nga dash line under the header. So makita natin sa output letter. So for each is employees as emp name, format name, emp name. So loop every employees loop ni siya format name and calculate siya og net pay. And echo straight pad, each employees payroll in the data in a column. So nag-align Japan siya, then makita ang iyang mga gross, ang yang sweldo, yang position, ato makita yung mga position. And number has a format ensure money has a 2 decimals. So it has 2 decimals places. So na siya decimal. And the function highest net pay employees, find the highest with a highest net pay na employees. So pangitaon siya and i-display sa employees with the highest net pay. So for each is a loop and calculate each net pay for each calculate net pay for each. If net less than max net, if net up pay is greater than max, mo update siya to highest. So return the place will with the highest net. Mo return siya if mugawas na ang employee nga with the highest net pay. So this function get total payroll employees. This is a function calculates the total amount of the company needs to pay all employees. So it starts with a 0 talaga. And for each employee, for each employees, will calculate their net pay, add it to the total. It will also return to final payroll cost. And function sort employees by net. This function, the symbols of this symbol means a function will modify the original employees array. Sorting, you sort employees function, sort an array using a custom compare function. And gross A, get net for employee A, and gross B for the get net for employee B. Then it will return net B greater than equal less than to net A. This spaceship operator, if net B greater than net A, return -1. A comes before B. Ano siya? If B is less than net A, returns 1. B becomes before A. So this sort employee by net pay. This employee sort employees by net pays highest. So mo display sa table kung kinsa ang pinaka highest sa payroll. The highest and find the highest net pay. So get the top earner or pangitaon tong pinaka highest nga payroll. Calculate payroll cost. And echo employee with the highest net siya. I-display ang pinaka highest nga net pay and kumpila. And total payroll cost. Display the payroll cost for all employees. So i-display niya ang tanan cost or tanan total nga payroll sa employees. So same money. So kit